Do you throw away your avocado seed? After eating the creamy part of it, what do you do with this? Do you throw it away? Okay, in today's video, after watching this video, you might never want to throw this away again. I'm gonna tell you the benefits, the content, the everything you need to know about this avocado seed. So after today's video, you will decide within you if you still want to dispose your avocado seed after eating the creamy part of it. Let's dive in. You know that the avocado seed itself contains more than 70% of antioxidants that the fruit gives. Do you know that the avocado seed is loaded with much benefit than the fruit? Remember I said maybe after showing you how and what you need to prepare with this and how you need to do it in order to take it, you will never throw away this seed. So remember that I'm going to do the practical for you to see. Okay, these fruits actually, the seed actually contain more than 70% of the antioxidants you think you're getting in the fruit. Keep watching. It says antioxidants that helps to fight so many diseases. It has soluble fiber which helps in clearing. It also clears the heart. It is very good for the heart. Remember I said I'm going to show you how to use it. The way you don't use it like this. I'm going to show you how to use it, okay? Like I said before, it has very high antioxidants. It has soluble fiber. It helps in cleaning the heart. It helps in circulating the blood around the body. It boosts your immune system. Very, very important, okay? Let's dive in and tell you more about it. Keep watching. Seed is loaded with anti-inflammatory compound that may help in so many ways to heal your joint pain, to relieve your body pain. It does a lot. It is loaded. It is loaded. You can't even have enough of it. It is loaded. Okay, still on the health benefits of this seed. Not another health benefit you might not know. People might not tell you it aids weight loss. Yes, because this becomes fiber after you prepared it to consume. It becomes fiber. So I am going to show you, and it also boosts your immunity. I already mentioned this, okay? The health benefits are numerous. So without wasting much time, let me show you how to prepare avocado seed for your consumption. And for there are two ways you can actually prepare this seed, but I am going to show you one way and I'll talk about the other way, because the one I want to prepare, I'm using the other method. Okay, so the first method you can use to prepare this is the way it is now, like seed like this. You see the way it is, like seed like this. So what you're going to do, my own is already dried. I've been saving it since, okay? It's dry already. It's dry. So the way you're going to use it, you have to allow it to be dry. If it's not dry, what you're going to do is this. You slice it. Like now. This is my own now. It's already dry. And I'm going to slice it here for you to see what I mean. Okay? I'm going to slice it here for you to see what I mean. See the way it is? I already dry it and peel off the back. You know it has one kind back like this. Make sure you remove this. Okay? You remove this. Okay? See the seed. Dry already. So I'm gonna slice it. Already sliced this. Remember I say you're going to peel off the back. That rough back. You peel it off. Okay? Look at this one. Already peeled off the back. Because it's already dry, don't forget. But if your own is not dry, you want to dry it before slicing, you can as well do that. Okay? You can as well do that. Like some, you can as well slice it like this before drying it. Okay? You air dry it. You can as well slice it like this and air dry it. Okay? Like this now. See this one now. I'm removing it now. You see it? Make sure you remove this. Because what we are looking for is actually the main seed. Okay? Not this layer. Okay? So, my oil is already dry. That's it. So this is the first method I'm teaching you. I'm coming with the second method. See? So the way I've sliced it like this, what is the next thing I'm gonna do? Get me my can. I'm teaching you the two methods. This is the first method, and this is the one I want to use. Both are very okay. See what I'm doing? Put it into a can. Get me water. This thing I'm preparing here clears the heart, boosts the immune system, relieve pain. You see it? Give me another water. Apple. See what I'm doing? So I'm going to cover this and allow it stay for 24 hours. I'm gonna cover this. It is going to stay for 24 whole hours. After 24 hours, what happens next? I begin to drink it. Remember that you don't, anything you're taking, especially all these herbs and natural, remember that there's moderation to it. Don't take excess of it. Like this one, tomorrow morning I'm going to use a glass. Just a glass and take 1 glass cup and I'm good. Then take another one in the evening. It clears the heart, it pumps the blood, it reduces cholesterol, inflammation, it cures pain, it relieves joint pain, all this pain. It makes you stay agile, it reduces your cholesterol level. Very, very important. It clears the heart. This. Then the second method of preparing it is powder form. Please keep this. For that powder form, I will not be making it today. Okay? Let me tell you how to do the powder form. So you can actually do it on your own. The powder form like this is already dry. You get it like this, you put it in a grater. As in grater, hard one that can grate and crush it to powder. When you crush it to powder, if you're taking your beverages or you're taking your for most of you that take if you're taking your meal and all of this, you can take a spoon of it and add to it. But the best way to drink it is just make your warm water, take a spoon of it, put it in there, stir it and drink. It clears the heart. Remember, moderation must be very important. If you're pregnant, please, if you're going through maybe you're on your breastfeeding, please consult your doctor before you take this. Okay? So with this now, I think we've come to the end of this video, and I want to remind you, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, please kindly subscribe, like and share this video. See you again in my next video. I love you and stay blessed and happy. God loves you.